It's exhausting seeing the Kronos ecosystem attack each other within. This is not how you grow your investments / community. Crow fam, do better. Welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm Blacksea, and I have another video for you guys. Today, I want to talk about Crypto.com Crowcoin. I want to talk about Kronos, the entire ecosystem as a whole, and where I think we're headed here with the ecosystem, within the ecosystem, as well as where we're headed with the overall broader cryptocurrency market. So without further ado, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. Let's hop into this video. So guys, starting off, Bitcoin is trading at $68,451 on the day, up about 0.02% on the day, minimal trading sideways. Bitcoin dominance coming down 52.49%. When you exclude stablecoins, we're trading at basically 54.5%. Honestly, basically exactly where we were yesterday. Sideways price action. I'm expecting this, but I will say there is some interesting things in the charts I want to show you guys that are quite alarming, and we're going to talk about that shortly. Before we do talk about the Kronos ecosystem, go follow me at 333 Blacksea on Instagram. If I can get to 300 followers by the end of this week, by Sunday, I will give away $300 worth of Crowcoin, CAW, Kronos memes, whatever crypto you want to one of you guys. So get me to that 300 followers, and let's talk about this. So, the Kronos ecosystem, right now, you're seeing some meme coins sell off. To be expected. We all expected this to happen at some point. People are attacking each other. People are upset. People are losing money. But there is something that we need to pay attention to here that really is the bigger picture. And that is, will this increase the likelihood that the Kronos ecosystem will get more attention, more money flowing into the community and into the ecosystem when people are attacking each other and when projects are attacking other projects, meme coins are attacking other meme coins? In my opinion, no. This is not how this works. And the problem is that we're in a much smaller community versus, say, Solana or Ethereum, where it's a lot more of a tight-knit group. So, well, it's easier to point fingers. It's a lot easier to point fingers in a room full of 10 people than it is to point fingers in an auditorium filled with 1 million people. No one really will know who you're talking to. You know, it's something like that. But I really want to emphasize that we really need to get out of this little spat that's happening here. I've seen this play over and over again. I've been in Kronos back in the MCO days, before Crypto.com transferred over to Crowcoin, before there was a Kronos ecosystem. And I've seen this kind of playing out more and more. And you know, we're a smaller community. This is a high likelihood of this happening until we get bigger. But I want to touch on some comments that I saw here because I thought it was very interesting. From Tiggy says, LOL, explain more if you're going to attack a chain. Should see how tiring it is with Sol and Ethereum with these callers, to be honest. Same problems there too. And I will say, the problems are not nearly what they are on Solana and Ethereum because they're just too big. All it is competition. So this is how I responded. With all due respect, I'm bullish on Crow. I am. I'm a huge Crowcoin bull. You guys know that. However, the Sol says ETH ecosystem is multitudes more active and larger. The projects on those chains only have time to expand and perform. Emphasis on that. They only have time to expand and perform. They don't have time to attack other communities because of the competition and size of the ecosystems. I don't see much of that in Kronos yet. I don't see it much yet. Because, well, to be honest, it's not a very, very high-level competitive environment yet. It is in the broader spectrum when you really talk about multi-chains, but inside the Kronos ecosystem, these dApps, these meme coins even, it's not that competitive. You know, over on Solana, you see a meme coin get listed, and if it doesn't gain traction in a couple hours, it's dead. It's dead. They don't have time to start attacking another meme coin. It's dead. It's too late. You need to be focusing all on value, all on hype, all on driving mania and attention to that coin. You can't be bashing on other people. People don't want to buy your coin if you're being toxic. If the community's toxic, people don't want to touch it. People don't want to promote it. People don't want to love it. It's not fun. when somebody is saying, oh, I'm associating that with these people, this community that's very toxic and attacking everybody. People don't want to promote that. They don't want a part of that. They want memes to grow that are funny, like Dog with Hat, Pepe, Doge, Shiba Inu. If you really want to get these memes into a much larger market, you can't be having these little toxic spats. It's just too much. And we really want to see that change, guys. We really want to see that change, especially if you want to see this ecosystem grow. And let's be honest here. We all know that there's ups and downs, especially when it comes to meme coins. And when we see those downward price action movements, obviously people are going to get upset. People are going to start attacking one another a little bit more because it's easier to when you're down money. It's a lot harder when you're up money, even though I will say I still saw some of that toxic behavior when we were in the green on many of these meme coins. Just something interesting to say, just to prove my point even more that it's probably because we just have a much smaller ecosystem and a lot of people know each other. And versus the Solana and ETH ecosystem, we're probably 100 times smaller than those ecosystems. Just something to talk about. When I just want to wrap that idea up because, guys, we want Crocoin to go up in price. We want more people to use the Kronos ecosystem. Have fun. Don't be toxic. It's a meme coin. It's a gamble. Just keep that in mind. Keep that in mind. Let's take a look at Crocoin. So Crocoin right now, trading sideways, to be expected. We're seeing Bitcoin trade sideways along with it. Still seeing that curvature that I've been talking about for a while. The shorting looks like it has been done. Now we're finally getting the stair-step action. We want to see some more legs up around that 20-cent level. That is kind of my next target for the next leg up when we see Bitcoin decide to make that larger move to the upside. Let's take a look at Bitcoin because Bitcoin, guys, we're trading sideways right now, but man, oh man, it looks good. It looks good. The daily is saying, okay, we're probably going to be trading sideways a little bit longer at these levels, but look at this. Look at this. We are starting to pinch a little bit here. I like to see that. Momentum wave coming down. That's okay on the daily. We're seeing some, I mean, it's looking like we could have this setup here. In my opinion, I do think we're going to trade sideways for a little bit longer. But when we look over at the weekly, that's where the magic is going to happen. I think next week, around next week, into June, into the monthly candle closure, expect some fireworks, guys. I think we're going to get a lot more clarity in the next few days on where we're headed here on Bitcoin. But as of right now, I am leaning much more towards the bulls side. I think that we're probably going to be making that way to around $82,000 to $85,000, especially if we get those daily candle closures above $67,000, which is looking pretty good. As long as we hold that, it starts to favor the bulls, and we're going to see that move to the upside. But like I said, we're going to get a lot more clarity here in the next couple days. But guys, if you like this type of content, please hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel right now. I just wanted to give you a little overview on where I think we're headed here in the short term and kind of touch on the Kronos ecosystem because, guys, we want it to grow. We want it to grow. We want people to say, oh, that's fun. Let's go in there. Let's check what that's all about. Not, oh, look at all these guys being toxic to each other because they're trading meme coins, and we don't want that, guys. We want to grow. Check out some awesome referral links down below. We have a $4,100 sign-on bonus to Femex in the description box below this video. Just click the link, deposit, trade a little bit, get a bunch of free money. Like I said, follow me on Instagram at 333Blacksea. I want to give back to you guys. I want to give away that $300. That's all I got. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.